Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Christmas unicorn. So to start off with our unicorn, we're going to begin with the eye, and starting right here, I'm just going to make a nice little smiley face like this. Then right underneath the smiley face, I'm just going to add a couple little lines for some eyelashes. Now, starting right about here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve up like this. Then I'm just going to start right here at the point and draw a line that kind of goes down and then kind of curves back up. That's going to be for the hair. Now, starting right here, you want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then as you get down here, you're just going to kind of curve this around and bring it back up like this. Then starting here, you're just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then it's just going to curve right up here. That's going to kind of form the nose and the jaw and kind of like the shape of the face. Then starting right here, you want to draw a line that just kind of curves up for a nice little smile. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little oval shape for the nose. Then coming back up here, right by where we ended the hair, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up like this, and then it's going to come back down just to form the ear. And then I'm just going to make a little oval shape inside of here for the inside of the ear. Now with this unicorn, we want to have it wearing a Santa hat. So starting here where the hair and the ear meet, I'm just going to make some bumpy lines like this that are going to go a little bit past the hair. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here, just kind of make some of these bumpy lines down here, and we'll go to about there. Then I'm just going to continue these up, and then I'm just going to start bringing them down here. And you're just going to make these bumps go all the way down here, and then just let them kind of come down like this. Now, starting up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's just going to come down like this. Then, right here where I ended, I'm just going to kind of curve this back up. And then right here, just make a line that just goes right down for the bottom of, or the back of the hat. Then on the end of this, I'm just going to make a little round shape, but I'm going to just use little bumps to fill it up. Now, starting right here, we want to add some more hair. So I'm going to start right here by the hat, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come out, and then it's just going to curve right back up here. Then starting here, you want to do the same thing, draw another line that just kind of curves out, and then I'm just going to kind of curve up into here. And then we want to do one more down here, just kind of curve down, and then just bring it back up like this. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down for the neck. And then I want it to look like there's a little wreath around her neck. So starting here, I'm just going to make some little bumpy lines that just go up to here. And then starting right here, I'm just going to make some more bumpy lines that just kind of go down. And then they're just going to kind of curve right back up here. Now, on the hair, I'm going to just add a couple little curved lines in here, just to kind of separate it up a little bit. And I'm just going to start at the point of each of these and then just kind of curve it right back, so that way we have 3 little sections on each part of the hair. And you just want to kind of add these just like this. Now, on the wreath here, you can just kind of add some little circles and stuff, just to make it look like they're little berries on the wreath. And this will just kind of give it a little bit more color too. And then you can always go down here and you can make like a bow. You just make a little line that goes around like this. It's kind of like a little bit of like an odd shaped square. And then I'm just going to add a little circle in the middle. Then you can add another one right on this side for the other part of the bow. And then I like to add 2 little lines in here. And then you can just kind of make a little curved line that just kind of comes back up on each side. Now, the final thing we need to do is we want to add the horn. So, very easy. You're just going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then I'm just going to bring it back towards the hat like this. And then you just want to add some little curved lines going right up the horn, just like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Christmas unicorn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.